Raptor 4s, BRED 4s, both released this year. But you know what just released? Yes, sir. Cool gray 4s, man. Super clean. Let's get into the review. Sneaker notes.
Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks.
What's up, family? Welcome to Sneaker Notes. I know it's been a minute, but to be honest, nothing came out that really caught my eye. I'm sorry for the long wait, but we back. Before we get into the cool gray Jordan 4 review, Supreme is gone. We already know they're going on vacation. Super dope, man, that a store can go on vacation. That's when you know you winning. But the last drop, this is what I got. Small bag, so y'all know it ain't nothing big. And then, your Supreme Nike headband. Always wanted one, so I went and got it. Red, of course. Came with a few stickers from the last drop. Dope Supreme sticker with the cloud. That's super dope. But yeah, man, the last drop for Supreme before they went on hiatus. The Supreme Nike band. Who knows? I might get this away once I reach a certain amount of subscribers. I don't know if I'm going to put it on. But back to the Jordan 4s. So the last time we seen these cool gray Jordan 4s was 2004. See what you did there, Jordan. But no, really, it's the 30-year anniversary, so that's why we see so many Jordan 4s coming out this year. And the 2004 Jordan 4 cool grays was such a hit. I'm happy they bring them back. Very, very clean, man. But no long talk. Let's get to the video. Unboxing time. Bam. Your classic Flight Jordan box with the elephant print cement particles on the bottom of the box. Very, very dope nostalgic box, man. I miss this box. Size 10.5. So y'all know it's a personal pair. They belong to me. Flip open the lid. Inside just red. No quality control stamp, no swoosh signs. Just a red box. So you know, if y'all get it from StockX or Goat and it look like this, chances is it's okay. Classic black tissue paper, man. I love this black paper. It doesn't give too much, but it just looks better and feels better than the original white, clear. And we going to bring both shoes out. Give y'all 360 both shoes. Now when I first opened the box, when these came in the mail, last week, I had these like 4 or 5 days before they dropped. But when these came out, the first thing I noticed was there wasn't no heavy hang tag. Usually your Jordan 4s come with a hang tag. See what I'm saying? The OVO, the Raptor 4s, whatever y'all guys want to call them, came with a super dope hang tag. We didn't get that on the Jordan 4. Let me check the BREDs. Boom. Your BREDs came with a different super dope hang tag. Very light. I may even keep this on the shoe when I rock it because this one ain't heavy. You know what I mean? Lightweight. But back to these. Yeah, so no hang tag, but hey, beggars can't be choosy. Something I don't even use anyway. I take them off, give them away. But classic, same 2004 look. Nothing different, but damn, that chrome Jordan, man. Now I know if you're like me, y'all rather have that Nike Air right there on the butt of the sneaker, man. That classic Nike Air, but this chrome Jordan, man, not bad, man. I definitely like it. I wish they would have put a little more chrome on the sneaker, maybe on like the shoestring eyelids. But then I guess it would have resembled the chrome Jordan 4s. I think they call them those dollar, or forget what they call those Jordan 4s. But all gray upper everywhere. Gray everywhere. Same color gray at that. You got your little hits of yellow right there on your flight. For some reason, Jordan always feels like yellow and gray matches. Like every time they do all gray, they always mix a little bit of yellow in it. Inside, got this thing. No one knows. No one knows what it does. Your shoe tree. Regular Jordan shoe tree. Nothing crazy. Your inside. Reese Air Jordan upside down. And a nice yellow gold ball. It is a super dope yellow. It's not my Laker yellow, but dope yellow, man. And your inside just has a Jordan man, a white Jordan man, gray insole. Your bottom, look at that yellow again. Dope yellow, man. I'm not saying the yellow's bad. I'm just saying I don't know why they think yellow matches with gray. But dope yellow. And then your stars on your insole with a lighter gray close to white. Yeah, it may be white. This is white. It's going to get gray. You wear it a couple of times, though. Now, as y'all can see right here in my right hand, these are the OREO Jordan 4s. That has the cool gray Jordan man on the back. These are one of my favorite Jordan 4s. I think I wore these the most out of every Jordan 4. So, which one would y'all rather, the all cool gray or the OREO 4s? Let me know in that comment section below. I already told you I'm going with the OREO 4s, but I'm telling y'all, in hand, these cool gray 4s are super clean. Super clean. Granted, they will sit. Jordan's been sitting for the last like 2 months. And I don't know why, but these will sit even though they're an OG sneaker. But I think they should go, man. This is definitely a good pickup. But if you could get it at a discount or wait 2-3 weeks and get a coupon code and get it cheaper, then do it, man. You know I'm always on the side of saving money. But super dope, man. I think everybody should pick these up. And speaking of restocks and sitting and all that, Yeezy did a huge restock a couple days ago. And I'm trying to tell y'all that Yeezys don't sell out from the beginning. Like, they always put some aside, man, but they got to keep that history up of them selling out. So that's why that big restock came. I didn't get anything. The only thing I really wanted was the 750s. Those are the only Yeezy I never, ever owned, and that's because I felt like they was weird when they first came out. I'm not going to lie. But those are the only ones I tried for and I missed out. Let me know in that comment section below if you cop. What did you cop? Because I know a lot of Yeezys been hard to get, so let me know what y'all cop, man. I'm looking forward to hearing from y'all. Shout out, and I'm happy for whoever got their grail or whatever Yeezy they was looking for. But again, man, not to make a long story short, this is your Jordan 4 cool grays, Oreos. I showed y'all the Raptors. I showed y'all the BREDs. On foot today, I got on a classic Jordan 12 flu games, BRED. A lot of people call them different names. But one of my favorite Jordan 12s. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these. I give it an 8 out of 10. I mean, it's nothing crazy, no different colorway, no different design. It's just OG, man, how you supposed to like it. I'm your boy C-Notes. Sorry for the hiatus. I'll be back real soon with another video. Everybody, get rich.
Easy bake is an easy bake. Easy bake is an easy bake. Bartender, keep the ace of spade bubbling. My flow super bad, make loving. Know the vibes. Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks. Know the vibes.